Introducing the Pioneer SDA-BS1 license plate bar type add-on blind spot detection system. Designed to assist in identifying vehicles entering your blind spot zone, the system can detect approaching vehicles at an approximate range of up to 50 feet. The Pioneer SDA-BS1 utilizes a microwave radar sensor array mounted in a universal mount license plate bar to accurately detect the position and relative speed of the vehicles around you. The system alerts the driver with flashing LED indicators, which can be surface mounted in your vehicle. Additionally, the system will produce an audible alert if your turn signal is engaged when a vehicle is in your blind spot zone. The SDA-BS1 uses GPS to calculate your vehicle's relative moving speed. To minimize excessive alerts while driving in slow traffic, the system will not produce warnings at speeds slower than 20 miles per hour. With the microwave radar sensor bar mounted on your vehicle's center-mounted license plate, the system can detect vehicles approaching from behind at an approximate range of up to 50 feet, and can detect vehicles approaching or overtaking your vehicle from the rear in either the left or right lanes. Additionally, when you're slowly backing out of a parking spot or a driveway, the Pioneer SDA-BS1 alerts you to cross traffic approaching from your right or left, entering your blind spot zone with an audible alert and flashing of the LED indicators to signal the direction of the approaching vehicles. The universal mount license plate bar can be mounted either on the top or bottom of your vehicle's center-mounted license plate. To simplify installation, a single cable connects the rear license plate bar to the system control unit, vehicle wiring, and system devices, including the in-car surface mount LED indicator lights, the GPS antenna, and alert speaker. The license plate bar is ingress protection rated IPX6 and IPX7 for durability in wet conditions when installed on the vehicle license plate. For detection accuracy, the license plate bar must be installed horizontal with the road surface and includes shims to adjust this angle based on the vehicle mounting surface. The Pioneer SDA-BS1 license plate bar type add-on blind spot and cross traffic detection system.